Hey, good morning. I think that's working. This is a new phone, by the way, so I'm struggling a bit with it. This is really bright. The whole screen is lit up white. This is the flash. Weird. Anyway, to start off with, I've been asked by one of my subscribers what I use in the way of fiberglass to fix my boat. So I just want to show you this. Okay. That autofocus is brilliant. Okay, this is where I got all my stuff from. I'm not an expert on fiberglass by no means, okay? But also this pamphlet is brilliant because it gives you all, and when you buy your stuff, this comes with it. It gives you all the instructions on what you should be using. So it's quite good. So I'm going to run through a couple of things that I've got, and then if you don't want to watch the video, just skip it on. Okay, so what you get first. Bondrite. This one came, I ordered it in a pack, and it also came with the fiberglass. So I'm learning, like everybody else is, it's got some what they call activator and bondrite, and it's also got some althone, whatever. That's for cleaning your fiberglass after you've rubbed it all down and whatnot. So I got a big pack of that. I'm going to run through it quickly. Okay, I got. Not that one yet. Then I got this one, which is another one. It's all polyurethane resin as well. I'm not too sure what the difference is between polyurethane and whatnot, but they're all Lloyd's registered, which means that for boats and whatnot, because I'm doing a small boat, my boat is inferior. It doesn't matter anyway. So this is resin as well, and that comes with a hardener. I'll show you where's that. They've all come with the hardener. So I've got 3 lots. I've got 3 lots of hard. This is it. What is this? It's called catalyst. Catalyst. Okay, so I've got 3 lots of them. Because also you get this, which I couldn't figure out what this was. Top coat, grey. And I was thinking, is that just paint? No, this is exactly the same as the other stuff. This is resin, except it's got coloured paint in it. And I believe on some of your resins you can get something like called industrial powder or something to mix with it. Well, there you go. So this is top coat, which is when you finish fiberglass, you're like, I'm going to do the hull, all the bottom of the boat. So what I'll be doing is probably painting it with this stuff. Painting it or applicating it, whatever. So that came with it. So I've got 3 tins of that, 3 sets of hardener. I've got this. But we also had some spare leftover fiberglass matting, and I've learnt that you need to use a minimum of 450 grams, which I presume it's the thickness of the weave. So 450 grams for hulls of boats and whatnot like that. So I've got that. I'm not too sure what this is. I don't think this is as thick. That came. And also got this one, which I think is if not, I'll order some more. Alright, so that all came as a kit. They came at round about, I think that big kit with the big fiberglass, the tin, and it came with the resin and the top coat was 24 quid. You get gloves with it. You get some mixing pots with it. You get a lollipop stick for mixing. And you also get a syringe for your catalyst, so you measure it out. And if you read the pamphlet, which is really good, also get a paintbrush. And you get a paintbrush. I bought these separate. These are a must. These are 3Ms. You can probably sit in there. 24 quid for a pack of 10. Quite expensive, but they do work exceptionally well. Because you don't want any fibre on your lungs with what's going on nowadays. So these are excellent, good fit. Okay, also got, these were 2 for a £5. Bear with me. I've just took the one out the bottom of the boat. It wasn't even screwed in, so we were definitely going to sink. But I didn't want 1, but 2 for a £5. It really wasn't worth worrying about. So this pamphlet, 450 grams is what you need for hull repair on boats. Yeah. And this pamphlet, very quickly before I bore you completely, it tells you all the mixtures and what to use and the weather conditions. If you can see that. Well, what I'll try and do in this video, I'll take a photograph of this and I'll pop it in and maybe extend it a bit. Okay, there you go. I'm no expert on fiberglassing. When me and my brother played with boats, we were using something called cascamite and what was it called? I'm trying to think what it was called now. The wood we were using, marine ply and cascamite. It did the job. So anyway, there you go. If this is any use to anybody and it's informative, thanks very much for watching. If you did, give it a thumbs up, a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next vid.